Whoa, did you see that? It's becoming orange, literally. Hello everyone, today I am celebrating 150 subscribers by electrocuting a kiwi. Let's start by cutting open this kiwi. Let's take a thin slice of it. So what I have here is this flyback transformer from an old CRT TV, and this is a ZVS module I got from AliExpress to drive this transformer. And here I have a 12 volts 5 amp power supply, and I will hook the wires up to the kiwi. I will just use it like this. I connect the power supply. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It is on now, as you can see here. You see something's happening on that side. Maybe I can increase the effect by bringing it closer. One moment. I've turned it off now. Okay, I'll turn it on now again. It's bubbling, as you can see. I don't know what that bubbling is, but... Oh look, on that side it's getting greener. I don't know if you can see it, but... Yes, it's now bubbling on both sides. And the bubbling is getting bigger. Whoa. It's getting to the middle, because look at the pits. What happens if I bring it to the sides? Let me zoom out. It's literally burning through it. Oof, I didn't meant to do that. But it's very dramatic. Especially the pits, they glow when they burn. Okay, I think I should stop now. I'll try experiment number 2. I'll add some water on top of it, mixed with salt, so it becomes more conductive. Okay, let's put it on top. I hope it won't get a mess. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Let's power it up. One moment. Okay. Whoa, did you see that? It's becoming orange, literally. And the arc can become longer, look at that. No way. It's extremely aggressive. I'm adding a layer of salt on top. It's now very aggressive, as you can see. The salt is evaporating. And the wire is melting. Okay, I think I'll stop now. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe so I can maybe get more followers. And have a nice day. See you later.